This is PKO, palm kernel oil. Most people think you need long drying days to turn this into powder detergent, but today I will show you how this oil becomes instant dry powder detergent with high foaming power. If you want profitable detergent formula, do not skip. Stay with me to the end. Let's get into the process. We'll be working with just 1 liter of PKO. Make sure you sieve your PKO before use. In case if there's any dirt inside, you'll be able to sieve it out. Then the next I'm adding is my soda ash solution. I added soda ash solution to my 1 liters of PKO. And as I added it to it, I stir it. In this process, you are going to be stirring slowly. You stir it gently, you stir it slowly. Then the next thing I'm adding is my hydrogen peroxide. I added my hydrogen peroxide to it and I stir it together also. Make sure to stir gently. Stir it gently. I continue stirring it. You are going to stir it for like 2 to 3 minutes, but stir it gently, not vigorously. Then I'll be adding my next ingredient, which is sulfonic acid. I added sulfonic acid and I stir it all together. I add and I stir. I continue stirring it until the sulfonic acid will mix together with other mixture. As I added it, I stir it together. And the next ingredient I'm adding is my lye solution. I added my lye solution also and I stir it together. Make sure you stir it gently and stir it together until all the ingredients mix together. You are going to take your time to stir it. As you stir, you continue to observe it. As you are stirring it, you will see that there is a chemical reaction on all the ingredients. You can see there's a chemical reaction on it, but you continue stirring it. Then you add the next ingredient. Add the next ingredient. After adding, you stir it all together again. Continue stirring it. After stirring it for like 5 minutes, but remember you are going to stir it gently. You are going to stir it on a very low speed. After stirring it for a while, then you allow it to rest for like 10 to 15 minutes before coming back to it. This is it after 15 minutes. You can see the difference. Then you continue stirring it again. Hey, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Also, like, comment, and share this video. Your notification bell will keep on notifying you whenever we drop amazing tutorial just like this. Then you continue stirring it gently before adding the next ingredient. And at this time, we'll be introducing the dry ingredient to it. We'll be adding soda ash light to it. You can also use soda ash dense if that is what you have, but preferably soda ash light is the best. Make sure you don't have any lumps, so you can use your sieve to sieve it, or you can use your hand just to remove all the lumps and squeeze it so that everything will be smooth. So after doing that, I added it directly into the mixture. Then you continue stirring it together. Make sure you mix it together until all the powder ingredients mix well with other chemicals. You can see even at this point, I would like to change my spatula to my mixing stick. After changing it, I continue mixing it. Remember, we are working with low speed here. So you will see that it's not as if we are mixing it with all the strength. You mix it gently and you work on a low speed. Make sure you mix until there is no lumps. Mix it together until you see that there is no lumps inside. You have to mix it to a smooth paste. Make sure your paste is smooth before you add the next ingredient to it. We are adding our next dry ingredient. Then as we add, you are going to mix it also to get a perfect smooth paste. If you have been thinking of how to start a detergent business, you have been looking for the type of detergent that you can start and is profitable, do not skip this video. Try and watch it to the end. And this type of detergent is not the heavier type. This is a lightweight detergent. The kind of detergent that the market grade, the stock grade detergent, the one you buy around you. This is the formula. Just continue washing it. And the next ingredient I added to it is calcium carbonate. As I add, I continue stirring it. Remember, we need a very smooth paste here. We don't want any paste with lumps, because if you allow it to have lumps, the lumps might not really dissolve. It might not even turn to that powder that you want. That is why we need a smooth paste. So you are going to continue mixing it slowly. Mix it gently and mix it very well until all the paste gets smooth. Then after that, we're going to cover it and allow it to rest for 12 to 24 hours. So you cover it, then you keep it in a cool, dry place for 12 to 24 hours before coming back to it. And this is 24 hours later. So you can see it in a powdered form. Though it looks as if it's solid, but it has already turned to powdered detergent. Just take a look at it. Complete powdered detergent. Just use your hand and scatter it. After that, you will see that it's complete powdered. Just use your hand to break it up. You can see the way everything is breaking. You can see the way I pieces it in no time. So it's not strong at all. If you follow all the same procedure, you are going to arrive at this same point. So after breaking all the powdered detergents, then the next thing is to get a flat surface and sun dry it. This powder detergent will dry in no time. If it's not maybe raining season, if it's dry period, you can dry it even for 4 to 5 hours and it's already done. So put it on a flat surface, take it to the sun and sun dry it at most for 1 day. Then after drying it for a day, that is when you add your perfume to it. Don't add your perfume like this so that it will retain the scent. So after drying it for 1 day, add your perfume to it, mix it all over again. Then you can put it in the sun for like 10 to 20 minutes. Then your powdered detergent is very ready. I'm going to dry it with my tray. You can see me spreading my own on the tray. So after spreading it here, I will take it outside and dry it for maybe just 1 day. And here is it after drying. You can see how beautiful it looks. Just take a look at it. Very beautiful, light in weight, white and shiny. So this is what 1 liter of PKO give us as a powdered detergent. Remember to like, comment and share this video. You can add fragrance to it as it is now. Add your fragrance and take it back to the sun to just sun dry it maybe for like 2 hours, and your powdered detergent is ready. So I want to know how many grams of powdered detergent we can get from 1 liter of PKO. Then after you sieve it. You can see get a sieve. You can get, if you want it very tiny, know that your sieve must be tiny. So just get a sieve and sieve it in order to have the fine, smooth detergent at the end of the day. The one that we have in a store, the one that you normally buy, the packaged one. So let's see how our detergent will look after sieve. This is it now. After we have sieved it, you can see this is 100% smooth, beautiful powdered detergent. And this is what we get. And even this, you can still use your hand to pieces it to re-sieve it again. Or you can use this one for any cleaning because it's instant dissolve. If you put it in the water, it will dissolve instantly. It's not a kind of detergent that will be strong in water. Look at it now. So let us just check how it foams. You might be wondering why I did not drop any quantity of the recipe or the ingredients at the end of this video. Yes, this is for paid class. If you want to learn it, you want to know more about how we get all the ingredients, the names, the quantity, and even more about this detergent powder, kindly come into my WhatsApp. Let's discuss about it with the phone number you are seeing on the screen. That is my WhatsApp number. I may go straight to the point, then we can talk. It's a paid course. It's not for free. God bless you, and I know that you have learned a lot in today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this video. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.